Hey guys, welcome back. And today in this video, as you can see, everybody, and I know this volume stinks, but whatever. So I'm going to be looking at Springer Spaniel puppies. Because my dog is a Springer Spaniel, and I love Springer Spaniels. Just, oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I'm in love. I want one. Oh, wait, I have one. Oh my God, they're so adorable. Oh, they're so adorable. Oh, look at his little eyes. Oh, he's so adorable. Okay, but oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at his little face. Oh, look at their little faces. Oh, look at their little face. Oh, so tiny and adorable. Ah! I love them all. Oh, they're so adorable. Oh, that one's so cute. Oh, none of them are as adorable as mine. Oh, but this one's so cute. Oh, these are so adorable. Oh my God. They're so cute. Yes. I mean, he's so adorable. Oh. I know, he was so tiny, and she army crawled, and it was so adorable. So guys, yeah, this is going to be in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did enjoy, leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, so guys, goodbye.